Hello everyone, welcome to Study Facilitator. In this video, we are going to learn and write the 10 lines essay on cat. First point, I have a pet cat. Second point, her name is Kitty. Her name is Kitty. Next point. She is 2 years old. She is 2 years old. Next point. She is very beautiful. She is very beautiful. Next point. She has bright blue eyes. She has bright blue eyes. Next point. She loves to drink milk. She loves to drink milk. Next point. She plays with a ball. She plays with a ball. Next point. She follows me everywhere. She follows me everywhere. Next point. She is very soft. She is very soft. And last point. I love my cat very much. I love my cat very much. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.